Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here over to fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video, and I hope you're well and safe wherever you are in the world. So it's April 4th, 2020. Start of we're nearly halfway through the year, we're a quarter of the way through the year anyway, and past month has been absolutely, you could say, insane across the world. The things, current events that are going on, but as with anything, life goes on, and especially within trading goes on. So this video is just a quick recap of last week's trading results. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now, or head over to their private Facebook group, the FXA's Professional Forex Signal and Educational Group, where you can actually join in, where I send weekly trade ideas, things that can help you progress as a trader. Okay, there also will be a link in the description area for the group if you're watching this on YouTube. Okay, so getting into last week's results. Okay, I did kind of recap on this a few days ago if you didn't watch the March video, the recap of March 2020, which was probably our best month of the year so far and our second best month since our signal service started. Okay, so last week we got around about 300 pips. Okay, and you can see this is the actual signal group. People posting the results. Okay, we had all our trades closed by I think it was Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday we closed. Wednesday we closed at Tuesday evening my time, Wednesday afternoon in Europe, and Wednesday morning in the US. Okay, we had two trades. One of the trades that I posted in the group was on Monday, something that popped up, which was a sell in the British pound CAD, 177. Stop loss at 178.3, and take profit was at 172. We actually closed out around, got about 200 pips on that trade. Pretty nice, and we'll actually go over that in a minute. The second trade was in the British pound Kiwi. Okay, and Jason's first week we banked 300 pips. Okay, Tom 300 pips. So everyone more or less got the same last week. Ali Arisa 182 pips on the card and 82 pips on the thing, so nearly around 300 pips. So all singing off the same hymn sheet last week. We'll just go over to the two trades that actually happened. Okay, let's have a look. So this was the sheet. We did have 22 trade ideas. Some of them did trigger towards the end of the week, but hey, we had made our money by Tuesday. And these current markets, it's good to take profits and just keep the consistency going with our trading and banking profits. So British pound CAD. Again, we were looking to sell this at 177. Okay, and this was really the reason why. You can see it was this kind of area here I was looking at on the charts. Okay, you had this, it's actually from this weekly area here, but you had this daily area here, market drop, pause, and drop. And if you look inside that, we had a nice 4-hour zone inside that. Okay, so I was just waiting for it to come back up here. It did. If you look at it, on Monday, I think it was Monday afternoon, came within 30 pips of our stop loss and then tanked straight down. Okay, so it did finish the week, nearly hit our take profit target at the end of the week, but we got out on Tuesday with 200 pips, so which is pretty good. Again, 175. It did drop down. I think what was the max pips? It dropped down there from our entry, 177. 450, yeah, 400 pips. Some guys in the group probably did hold on to it towards the end of the week, but I advised everyone to get out early, as we did. That was a nice trade. So I was just basically looking at the charts here. You can see we had this huge weekly area here with this wick. Okay, after the market reacted up here. It's actually a monthly zone it was reacting at. Did go over this a few weeks ago on my videos. Okay, the volatilities in the higher time frames. You can see bit of indecision here. This reaction here was at this monthly zone here. And if you want to learn how I actually draw these zones, you can head over to Udemy or click one of the links below and access my Price Action Secrets Udemy course. Okay. So last week you can see this was just a retest of this, the first test of this area that caused this huge move down here from the reaction to this monthly. Okay, what we had to do, we had to zoom in and see if we could find a zone inside that weekly, which we did here. And this was the daily zone, and we zoomed in again and we got a 4-hour zone, which was picture perfect. We could have entered a little bit higher up, but 177 was a nice entry for me and the group, and we got a nice trade. Okay. And this is exactly how I analyze the market. There's no secrets to it. Sorry. So the next trade was British pound, Kiwi. Okay. We were looking to sell this at 209. I think it was. Yep, 209. Okay. 209. Wrong platform. What I was actually aiming for here, because this is a pretty huge zone here, and was a reaction to this. You can see from this Brit exit move here a few weeks ago. I happened to that, and all I was looking to do here last week was this high here. Okay, technically speaking, you would get a reaction at this high, which that did happen last week, as you can see. And I was looking just to sell around that high, and I was zooming into the 4-hour charts and see if I could get, and that was the area I was looking to sell there. Last week I was basically just around that high. So 109 was the entry, or sorry, 209 was down here. And again, because we had the 200 pips in the British pound CAD, at the same time this had dropped. We got about 100 pips in this, okay, which we're lucky we just closed. If we had left it towards the end of the week, we would have got stopped out on, not actually didn't hit our stop loss. Okay, would actually, stop loss was 210.3. Okay, so we closed all the trades early and we got around 100 pips in it, and you can actually see it did drop around 130 pips. So that was the 2 trades this week. 2 trades, 2 nice signals, and you can see the guys in the group, signal group, actually got the same results. So you can see the weekly posts, the weekly results we post in the Facebook group, or what do you call that? Facebook page, Telegram group, the videos I post each week. That's why we guarantee you'll make 900 pips every 90 days, or we'll simply give you your money back. Okay, not many people can do that. We guarantee that because we know what we're doing, and we know our method works. It works, as you can see, whether we are in good times when the markets are good or when the markets are currently bad, whatever perspective you have on it at the minute. To me, the markets are actually good because there's plenty of volatility. Last week there wasn't as much, but the minute markets are very, very good because there's plenty of volatility, which creates a lot of opportunities. Okay, so our method works in any market condition. That's because simply the way we trade is we trade alongside the smart money, where the institutions are likely to be trading the same prices, etc. That's the way we trade. Okay, so we only access a signal service that guarantees results. It works week in, week out. We're very, very consistent. We've banked nearly 11,000 pips since August last year. And subscribe now by clicking the link below. If you have any questions, let me know. will@fxace.com. Look forward to hearing from you. Yes, so get involved in the service. Looking forward to seeing you in the Telegram group. Click the link below. Remember, wherever you are in the world, stay safe and stay happy. So I'll speak to you soon. will@fxace.com.